Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, unlatch and remove the base cover. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify and slide the tab to unlatch the hard drive assembly. Disconnect the cables and lift the assembly to remove it. Identify the hard drive, unlatch, and remove it from the system. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the system and relatch it. Reinsert the hard drive assembly and reconnect the cables. Relatch the assembly. Place the front bezel and base cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.